My name is Nuno. I'm the commercial director at the AMF. When it comes to innovation in the most recent past, we recently acquired around 2 years ago a new injection machine with the AMIR system. So all the shoes, the machine is not only bigger and it's faster, but also the shoes that come in and out of the machine are supplied automatically, so it makes it more efficient. It also more faster to produce the shoes. In the end of the machine, we cut the outside of the, let's say, the excess PU from the soles. We cut it automatically in the end of the process. So that also removes a handmade process that is made from shoes that are injected in the other machine, the older one that we have. So as well, makes it faster, more efficient, and more automated. We are involved in several projects, innovation projects with universities and also with the technological center in Portugal. Projects like sensor shoes to assist, to measure the effort and the stress under working conditions. There are some of the innovations that we have been working on, and we are striving to include in the shoes that we make as much as we can to help not only protect the person who is wearing them, but also prevent some of the hazards or injuries that can happen from their daily work.